Hey Jack, as we dive into this feature, let's try to keep our code as clean as possible. Remember what we talked about last week?
Absolutely. Clean code is so important for readability and maintainability. What's our first step?
Let's start by naming our variables meaningfully. Instead of using temp, let's use something descriptive like user input.
Good call. It's clearer for anyone who might read the code later. Consistency in naming conventions is also key.
Exactly. And we should keep our functions small and focused. If a function is doing too many things, it can get really hard to understand.
I agree. I'll make sure to break down any larger functions into smaller, single responsibility ones. It also makes testing easier.
All right. Also, don't forget to add comments where necessary. But let's keep them meaningful. We don't want to clutter the code with unnecessary explanations.
Got it. I'll add comments to explain the logic when it isn't immediately clear, but I won't state the obvious.
Exactly. And if we see any duplicated code, let's refactor it right away. Keeping our code DRI, don't repeat yourself, will help maintain clean code.
Good point. I'll keep an eye out for duplication. By the way, I find that using meaningful error messages helps too. It makes debugging so much easier later.
Totally agree. A well-structured error message can save a lot of time during troubleshooting. Speaking of which, how about we also implement proper logging?
Yes, logging can help us trace back issues when they arise. Just need to ensure we're not logging sensitive information.
Exactly. And let's stick to a consistent logging format so that it's easy to parse through logs later.
Perfect. It sounds like we're on the right track for keeping our code clean. It'll pay off in the long run.
Definitely. Plus, when we clean up our code, it makes it easier for others to contribute. Everyone benefits.
Right. And if we ever need to revisit this code, we'll be grateful for the effort we put in now.
Exactly. Let's keep this mindset as we continue developing features. Clean code should always be our goal.
Absolutely. I'm excited to see how our code turns out.